Speech on education. Good morning, everyone, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I am going to speak about education. Education is the most powerful weapon that can change the world. Education is not just about books or exams, it teaches us how to live a good and meaning life. A person without education is like a bird without wings. Education gives us the power to dream big and achieve our goals. It helps us understand what is right and what is wrong. It builds confidence and teaches us discipline, respect, and responsibility. In today's world, education is not only for getting a job but also for becoming a good human being. Every child, whether rich or poor, has the right to be educated. Let us all promise to value education and use it to make our country a better place. Thank you.